All right. Hey, in this video, I'm going to break down how I made $51,000. Now, here's the thing. The trades that I took were very high quality setups. The strategies were very high quality setups. And the reason why I even want to make this video is because there's some things that you can pick up from this. There's few concepts that you can pick up from this, and you'll be able to replicate this in your trading straight away pretty much, because it's at the end of the day, the whole game is about price action. At the end of the day, the whole game is about understanding the overall structures of the market, because once you understand structures of the market, even though the market is not giving you any entries for first 1 hour, because the trade that I took was after first 1 hour, that's when the trades worked. So, and I had my dad sit next to me while I was trading today, and he saw he saw how easy it is, and now he was like, "Oh, I won't feel bad for spending a little," because I got him some shoes, right? And he been looking at like, "Oh, why did you buy me so expensive shoes?" I'm like, "Bro, it was like $200. Take it easy." Anyway, hey, ladies, bro, the reason why I exist is my parents. So it's time for me to show them the world. And I took him to the new mansion that I bought, 10,000 square foot. I'll post a little vlog and look to the whole thing. We're standing in the basement right now. But yeah. And caught this trade, bro. 3 trades. All 3 were 100% trades. Over 100%. And there were 500 people. Everybody's just printing. Like, check this out, man. Everybody tapping the SPY because they're all printed. But this is what we do. And if you want to watch my screens every single day, by the way, while I'm trading live, just check out the first link in the description box below, and let me break down the trades that I did take in order to do this. Now, I am a big fan of trading 0 days to expiration contracts. There is a reason why I love trading 0 days to expiration contracts. I personally believe trading same day expiration contracts is way easier. And also, I'll show you this fatty because then I was a little bit fat. And that's the only reason why I bought this car, because I just wanted to say, I'm the king of same day expiration contracts. And now, first thing that you always gotta watch when you're trading same day expiration contracts is always going to be time frames. You gotta watch 2-minute chart for first 30 minutes of the market open. You gotta watch 5-minute charts for next 60 minutes of the market open. That means from 10 o'clock Eastern time to 11 o'clock Eastern time. And then you're going to watch 10-minute chart from 11 o'clock Eastern time onwards whenever you're trading. This is because a lot of times you all will go on different time frames just because you want to catch a trade. Or you will stay in a trade just because you're like, oh, 15-minute chart doesn't look that bad. And then the 15-minute chart looks a little bit bad now. Let's say 10 minutes later, 15-minute chart's not good. Then you go on a 30-minute chart. Oh, 30-minute chart looks not bad actually. And then 30-minute chart looks shit. Then you're like, oh, let me go on a 1-minute chart. Oh, 1-minute chart showing some strength. It will turn around. Bro, don't do that crap. I used to do that. That's why I have a very solid structure now in place that in that time is the only chart that I'm going to pay attention to. All right. And the second thing is, whenever you're trading your same day expiration contracts or 0 days to expiration contracts, you always have to pay attention to one simple structure. Do not buy when the big move has already happened. Just wait for some sort of a pullback, some sort of consolidation. You take that consolidation place. So I'll explain the SPX trade that I took today, and then we'll go over the next play. All right. So now, simple trade. You're gonna actually enjoy this. You're gonna learn so much from this video. There's a thing called dynamite level. What's dynamite level? Dynamite level is simply it's pretty much like every $50 mark on your charts. For example, your 600, 650, 700, 750, every $50 mark, plus every repeated number. Every repeated numbers. What does that mean? That means 666, 666.66, 777, 888, or 6666.66 on SPX today. It was a dynamite level. What can happen around dynamite level? They're very strong algorithmic levels. That means if a reject, they reject very heavy. If it breaks and retest, they go very heavy. So I had this 6650 marked up on my charts, 6666 marked up on my charts. As you can see right here, I had this marked up on my charts. What happened? I waited for the price action to close above. I'm on a 5-minute chart. What did I say? After 10 o'clock, I'm on a 5-minute chart from 10 to 11 o'clock. I'm on a 5-minute chart. I waited for the 5-minute candle to close above. I waited for the 5-minute candle. This is where the market opened today. Waited for the 5-minute candle to close above. Next candle came back, retested this. I decided to go long, bro. And this strategy is called, you're going to laugh at this. This strategy is called baby oil strategy, because it's literally like a baby oil is in, it's going to be plenty lubricant. You're going to go. This is like the volume, because at the end of the day, bro, the volume in this game is literally what plays big role. Like the big move doesn't happen because of, the big moves don't happen because of just one simple level breaking. The big moves happen because overall structural wise we understand the importance of the level. Once we understand the importance of the level, we are able to take that trade, hold on to that trade for a little bit longer, and I exited the trade at the top, right? And this is how it goes. And it's still going. And there's so many people in my chat right now, they actually in these trades and they're printing money. Like, this is insane, because I was like, guys, hold your runners. There's absolutely no reason selling the runners. I mean, just check this out. Somebody made 1,600, 58 bucks. That's cool. Was busy for morning office hours. 447. That's 50% of the trading account. If you have a small trading account, you're going to make money. If you have a big trading account, you're going to make money. You're going to make money if you know what you're doing. And that's only because they get to see my screens in the real time. Small account, big account, everybody's printing, bro. And I'm so freaking proud of it. This is me actually showing off. This is my flex. Look at that, 19,000 on a day. Bro, this is what we do all day. Anyway, so this is a beautiful trade, no doubt. Yes. Beautiful break and retest of a dynamite level. Write it down. And then when the stock starts pushing, same thing that I did on SPY, because I had this SPX critical level sitting there. I was like, okay, this looks nice. A big move has already happened. It broke above the critical level that I had on my charts, because this is a critical level that I sent in my chart. This every single day I send my levels in my chat. Look, check this. So every single day in the morning, I send, like, these are the plays that I was calling them out. Like, please go for it. Go for it. 100% plays. Let's go. See? Hey, when you're printing, bro. That's what's up, you see. Anyway, I sent these plays in the chat saying these will be the levels that I'll be watching. You can see these are the exact same levels. I haven't changed a thing of them. The level broke above. I'm waiting for a little pullback. What happened? This candle, this right here. If you think about this, this is actually a pullback. You know how I know? Because if you just zoom in, let's go on a 1-minute chart. Just to zoom in, right? Sorry, 1-minute chart, bro. Just to zoom in, what happened? It was taking so long, it was like consolidating. So I was like, oh, this looks really, really nice. The 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart looks, sorry, I don't watch 1-minute chart, but the 5-minute chart looks really, really nice, because it was consolidating on a 5-minute chart, this candle. I decided to go long. Bam! Caught a big move towards the upside. Bro, I have SPX, I have SPY, and then pretty much same play on QQQs at the same time. And this is a little secret way of knowing where the big move is going to stop. And we took profits literally right at the top, and we got this move towards the upside. Bro, look, I'll say it again. I'll say it one more time, all right, for everybody to hear. This is called baby oil strategy. There's a reason why, because once you learn the overall structures, especially when it comes to the dynamite levels, SPX has a headed dynamite level that acted as a baby oil, pretty much pushed the whole market. It was like smooth push towards the upside. You understand what I'm saying? When you're trading this stuff, you need to be able to understand what to use in that given time. All right. If you tried to use some indicator in this given time, you probably would have been just waiting for the indicator. No, there's different times for different tools, right? For example, when you need a screwdriver, you need a screwdriver. When you need a hammer, you need a hammer. When you need a chainsaw, you need a chainsaw. When you need a lawnmower, you need a lawnmower. There's different tools for everything. Same goes in the market. There's different tools for everything. But people try to use the same tools across the board when it comes to trading. Bro, it's just like any other skill set. There's different tools for everything, and you just need to know what to use at what time and or you can just come watch my fucking screens and make some money, bro. Now I had decent. Now what was my risk that I took? I made about 50,000. I had just my dad sitting next to me, so I had to do decent position size, big enough position size. I was very, very confident in this play. I was really confident in this play. I was not even worried. I was not even worried, bro. My position size is different, but my risk was like, I think 10, 12,000 on this. Now you might be like, oh my god, bro, that's why I don't make the number. No, bro, take the numbers out. If you risk $10 and you make, let's say 40, that's good. You understand what I'm saying? I was very, very comfortable on this. If I'm risking $10, I was making 40. I was like 1 to 4 risk to reward, $1. Like I'm risking $1 to make 4. It's like very, very comfortable. Took the play. Absolutely beautiful. So here we are. Where do we go from here? Check the first link in the description box below. And if you enjoy these videos, subscribe to the channel. I'm out of here. Peace.